Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having a great day. I am also very excited for today's tutorial. Why? Because in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can add this chat widget or this chat option to our WordPress website. Okay, right. Now we need this chat option in our website because through this feature we can easily interact with our potential customers. For example, someone visits to your website and he wants to contact you, he wants to ask you any query, any doubt or anything. So with this feature you will get a lot of channels like WhatsApp, Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, through which your potential clients or customers can easily interact. Okay, right. Now we know that most of the designers, they charge us a very hefty amount for this feature because it is one of the most important feature for each and every website. But in this tutorial you are going to learn how you can add this free of cost to your WordPress website. Okay, so for that, first of all, let me take you to the WordPress dashboard. This is our dashboard, and what you have to do, you just have to hover on plugins option and then click on add new. From this we are going to add our plugin. In the search plugin option you just have to type chatty and then press enter. You will get that plugin that we need. So this is the plugin Chatty by Premium. You have to install this particular plugin. I have already installed to my WordPress website, therefore it is showing this active already, but you have to install it and you have to activate it. Once you will activate it, you will be redirected to the add widget option. Okay, let me take you to the dashboard. Here on the left hand side you will get this Chatty, and through this Chatty you will get to this dashboard. Okay, from here you can easily create your widget. Okay, so to create a widget, what you have to do, you have to click on create widget option. Once you will click on this, you will get the whole option of customization. Okay, so you can see that we get a lot of channels that we can add to our chat plugin. So on the right hand side you will get to see the preview of your chat plugin. Whatever customization you will do on the left hand side, they will be available in this preview window on the right hand side, and you will also get to know how it will look on desktop as well as on the smartphone. Okay, now there are some limitations also, because in this Chatty plugin, like most of the plugins have two options, free option and paid option. Here also we have free and paid version. Now free version, they have always some limitations, but it will not it will not stop us from using this, because in the free version also we get a lot of options. Okay, right. So the first thing that I should tell you, that in the free version you can only add up to 2 channels. Like you can see, we have this call and WhatsApp option. I just delete it. Now you can add 2 channels, or you can also create your custom channel. Okay, your custom link if you want. This is also an option available here. Okay, so the most important one of the most important channel that is used by most of the businesses, it is WhatsApp. So we are going to add WhatsApp, and for the second one let me add this Telegram. Okay, right. Sorry. Now in the WhatsApp you will have to select this option, from which you have to select the country code that you belong to. I belong to India, that is Bharat. Then you have to write down you have to enter your mobile number. So let me enter any random number just to show you. Okay, right. Now after that you will get some more options. First of all, you will get this option, that is WhatsApp chat pop-up. Like if I show you here, when I click on this, when I click on WhatsApp, nothing happens. I'm clicking on this, nothing is happening. But when I enable this option, and after that when I click on this WhatsApp, you can see that I have this WhatsApp chat pop-up. How can I help you? This can be also customized. Like you can just write down your brand name, your company name, that like welcome to IDS tutorials. Welcome to IDS tutorials, like that. Okay, right. Then what you have to do, just click. You have to do many more changes also. But just to show you, I am here saving the widget. I had clicked on this save widget option, and let me show you live. Okay, so here you can see that because I have only added the details of WhatsApp only, therefore it is only showing this WhatsApp icon. When I click on this, welcome to ITS tutorials, it is working fine, right? After that, you will get one more option, open the window on load. When I enable this option and when I click on save widget, then what will happen whenever someone loads my website, then this chat option pop-up will be opened by default. As you can see, I don't have to click on this WhatsApp icon to open this chat pop-up. So this is the function of this option. I will disable it, I don't want this in my website. Now you can also change some more settings. You can change the icon appearance, the color of this WhatsApp icon. You can change the on hover text, that is the WhatsApp. As you can see here, when I hover on WhatsApp, here comes this WhatsApp. So you can change on hover text also. Then if you want to redirect the people from this particular button to the WhatsApp web, you can enable or tick mark this option. I will enable this option. Now after making the changes, you can just click on save widget, or you can do it at the last also. It's on your convenience. Then in the Telegram, let me add some random username. You can add your own, right? Okay, now just to show you, let me click on save widget, and as you can see, now only WhatsApp was here. After adding the details, as you can see, now I have both of these options, WhatsApp and Telegram. It works like that. Very simple, right? It's very simple. Now as you can see here, whenever I hover on this cross mark, then there a text comes, that is hide. So basically you can change it to close or any other text that you like. I had selected close, and as you can see that now instead of hide, it is close here. Okay, you can change that also. After that, click on next. Now step number 2, customize your widget. I don't like this purple color, I can change it to another color, to green for example, or to blue. I will change it to blue. You will get a limited amount of colors that you can change, because other colors, custom colors, are only available in the pro versions, but the colors that are available in the free version, they are also very decent. I will select this blue color. Now you can select the position also, left or right. This custom position only in the pro version, but left and right you can select as per your convenience. I will select right, it's very easy. Okay, then icon view, vertical or horizontal. When I select vertical, that means when I expand this chat option, these channels will expand vertically. Okay, vertically. But when I select this horizontal option, then these chat options, they will expand horizontally. Okay, like that. I will select this vertical only. Then default state, what is this option? First is click to open. So when I select this click to open, so whenever anybody click on this option, only then it will expand. When I click on hover to open, so whenever anybody moves his cursor or hover on this option, it will automatically be expanded. Okay, or opened by default. So if you select this option, whenever someone load your website, it will be opened by default. Then a show close button, if you disable it, then they are not closed, they cannot be closed. Okay, that's right. After that, if so, I will select this click to open from this. Then call to action text color, you can see this contact color, right? You can select it to any other color as well, like the background you can change to green or blue or red. For example, I have selected this blue, and this text color, for example, I have selected any other color like red. So you can change that also. I will just keep it what it was. Okay, I will select it to white. Okay, call to action behavior, hide after first click or show all the time. Okay, so this call to action behavior, it tells us that the button that we having, right, hide after first click. So if someone has just clicked on hide after first click, then it will be hidden, right? But if it show all the time, then it will show all the time. Okay, right. Then attention effect. So you can add some effect. For example, if someone is scrolling through your website and he is not able to get his attention towards this plugin that is available at the right side corner at the bottom. So what you can add, you can add some animations also, like bounce, it will bounce like this, waggle like this, okay, sheen, then spin. I will select this wiggle. It looks good, right? Then pending messages. If you enable this option, then it will it will look like that there are some pending messages in this. For example, it will show that one message is there, so it will automatically drag the attention of the user towards this widget. Okay, let me enable this. You can also change the color, you can also change the number that you are showing, how many messages are there, 4 5 6 7, whatever you want to show here. I will select one only. Okay, only one message. Okay, so after that, what should icon look like? You can select these options. Okay, and you can also add the custom, but it is available in the pro version only. So I think that this looks decent, the by default one. Okay, then font family, you can also change the font family. You can select the widget size, large, XL, double XL, small, okay, like that. Okay, right, then click on next. Okay, third, what should be the trigger? So in this case, the trigger is display after 0 second. As soon as someone loads the web page, it will be displayed. Okay, there will be no lag in it. Then display when visitor is about to leave the page. If someone if for let me show you, if I just disable it and if I just enable it like this, and when I click on save widget, let me show you. So here you can see that no plugin is here available, but when I move my finger to the cross button, then it shows right after. Okay, I know that the screen is recording and you are not able to see my cursor, but it is happening. Okay, like that. Okay, so you can select that also. Okay, so let me just select this by default. Okay, like this. Then we have some other options like data scheduling, sorry, like date scheduling, like you can just schedule the specific time and date when your chatty widget should appear. You can also add the days and the hours, show on pages, like on which pages you want to show this. Okay, the rules you will set according to your choice. Then traffic source, you can select the traffic, show the widget only to visitors who come from some specific traffic sources, like some ads or some search engines, like that. You can also select the country targeting. You can target your particular widget to some specific countries that you want to select. You can add custom css also, but it is also available in the pro version. As you can see here, that apart from the pro version, in the free version also you get a lot of things here. Now after doing all these things, just click on save widgets, and let me just refresh this page. As you can see here, our widget is all ready, and you can see that it is wobbling, it is showing this animation, and whenever someone clicks on this, it will expand, and WhatsApp, Telegram, and all these things we have. If I click on this WhatsApp, welcome to ideas tutorial, you can just set your custom message, and if someone clicks on this and types something and then click on send, he will be redirected to your WhatsApp account. Sorry. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you learned some very amazing thing today, right? It's absolutely free with a lot of customization options and a variety of channels with the custom channel support also. You can add your own channel, custom channel. Okay, right. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and for your view and for your subscribe. And I want to thank to all my subscribers for supporting me each and every time. I want to thank to all my viewers and subscribers. If you like if you like these content, please subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you so much once again. I see you all in the next tutorial. Till then, take care all of you. Bye.